Hello guys, good morning. Gone for a work to Electronic City. Peaceful traffic luckily. Going in the Lord Alto. So yeah, starting my day, and today is workout day. And mom said she's gonna make something to eat, something special. Let's see what it's gonna be. And I don't think I can be eating it because I'm on diet. So yeah, let's see how it goes. And finally wearing these shades from Decathlon that I got ages back. Using it now. Let's see how today unfolds. What are you guys up to? How is your day going? Heading home. Almost about to reach. Thank you for watching my previous vlog. Just for 2 days. I clubbed it in one so that I can be, on par with the dates. So yeah, its time is 10:42 in the morning. So I have to have my mid-morning snack. Then an hour later, I have to work out. I'm not yet gone home. I'll see how Mr. Bell will welcome me now. Guess who I'm starting today? This baby is here. Ragnar. Starting this baby. Started. Milk. Hello. I have to make few bills now. Work started. Bill is having his meal. He'll join me very soon now. So getting started after 2 days of break. So yeah. Watch what will happen now. Playtime. This is playtime. Sumis. Watch him, man. Yo. This is back again with the Sumis. Yeah. Yeah. This is my finger inside this. Watch him. This is playtime, huh? Watch. Fight time, fight. Again, Zoomies. Yo, Bell, yo! Bell! Watch how he's gonna come. Well, look who's sitting here and letting me work or not. Sleepy, mogi, shoni. Coffee, black coffee with a view. Mr. Bell sleeping. Working and having my coffee. Now my eyes opened up, How many of you drink your coffee? Let me know. And which coffee do you prefer? Hello guys, look who's there. Hello. Krishna. Hello. Say hi. His name is Krishna, by the way. Now mid-morning snack. I think he wants to have. Do you want to have this? No. What is there for lunch, Mom? What have you made for lunch?
Today, Mugamala Ambat.
Mugamala Ambat.
Rice.
Oh, that's our Konkani special
Bindi
dish.
masala.
Nice, very good.
Chicken.
Boiled chicken, yes. You know. Hello. Finally, somehow convinced myself to come to the gym. No, it's just a joke. Because I'm too excited to start off. I just needed to give that right amount of break, before I start my workout. Because you need to be in full flow. Otherwise, when your body is not recovering, you just do it for the sake of it and then fall sick again. So, hello. It's not only about, workout is not only about weight loss. It includes everything, It's a combo of everything, that your body is given right amount of rest and the right amount of water, food, diet, everything that goes in, because it's a mixture of everything. That's when things work out. So let's start today. Let's get back to fitness. I think I put on a little weight, or it's the beard, I don't know. Anyways, okay, let me start off. Lunchtime. This is little bit of broken wheat. This is boiled chicken. This is bhendi fry. So let's done with the lunch. Just lying down resting. Now I have to start working, and then again have to go to Electronic City. I have a meeting there. Finish that and then come back. So again I'll be taking Lord Alto. Another few minutes of fun on the road with Mr. Alto. I'll be leaving in probably it is 3:32 p.m. Should be leaving by 4:30 p.m. So, hey, what are you guys up to? How's your lazy afternoon happening? What are you guys up to apart from work? Enjoy. Hey guys, good evening. Time is almost 5. Time to go to Electronic City. I'm in my Lord Alto. What are you guys up to? Had your coffee? These are the glasses from Okno, which is your eyewearlabs.com. Let me know how this is. It has a wooden finish and all that. It looks damn cool. It's polarized, and you get it for $999. If you buy two, like say you buy an expensive, you buy one for 1,600, you get another one for 700 something. So it's around 2,600. You're done with two beautiful, well finished glasses. It's worth every penny. You get it single ones, you get it for $999. There's an offer going on, I guess. You guys can go check it out in eyewearlabs.com. So yeah, beautiful shades. You get polarized ones. That too for this less. I've been using it from past. Their brand. I'm using it from past 3-4 years. It's brilliant. Must buy. The weather's been really amazing. Very pleasant. It's like yesterday it was very cold. Usually I sleep with full speed. Yesterday I was like reduced it less, much lesser because of the cold. Let me know how you guys feel it. Are you guys loving this Bengaluru weather? Let me know in the comments below. As always, traffic jam. Bangalore never ceases to surprise me. But it's still the most beautiful city. What do you say, people? What this is on my this part. What the hell that is? It's not going also. Here also. Got a facial done, still not going. Any idea what the hell this is? Let me know, guys. Got the flyover, Electronic City. Too much of traffic, and look at the clouds. Finally changing. You can see the sunset in the there if you can catch it. Overspeeding, apparently. I am not. Some snacks. This is a very famous Maharashtrian place. You get vada pav, dabeli, pav bhaji, misal pav, etc. Cheese pav bhaji, aloo pakoda, and puneri katta. Cheese dabeli. Aha, what an evening snack. What are you guys having?